In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more columns and statuses to your JIRA Scrum board. If you're customizing your board to better match the way your team works, this is a simple but very useful adjustment. Adding extra columns can help you track work more clearly, especially if your process has more stages than the default setup. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it in a quick and straightforward way. To get started, open your JIRA Scrum board and click on Board. This is where you'll access the board view and make changes to how your workflow is displayed. If you're already inside your project, just make sure you're on the correct Scrum board before continuing. Taking a moment to confirm that now can save confusion later, especially if you have multiple boards for different teams or projects. Once you're in the board area, look for the plus icon and click it. This button is used to add a new column to your board. It's typically positioned near the existing columns, making it easy to expand the workflow visually. When you click it, JIRA will immediately give you a space to create a new column. Next, enter the name of the new column, then press Enter on your keyboard to confirm it. Choose a name that clearly represents that stage of work so anyone looking at the board can instantly understand what it means. For example, teams often use names that reflect review stages, testing stages, approvals, or handoff points. The important thing is to keep the wording consistent with the rest of your workflow. After you press Enter, the new column will appear on your Scrum board. From there, you can continue refining your board as needed so it better reflects your actual process. A well-organized board makes it much easier for the whole team to understand where work stands at a glance. One helpful tip is to keep your column names simple and specific. If a label is too vague, it can create confusion when team members are moving issues across the board. Clear naming keeps the board easy to maintain and easier to use during stand-ups, sprint planning, and progress reviews. And that's all it takes to add more columns and statuses to your JIRA Scrum board. As you can see, it's a very quick setup, but it can make a big difference in how clearly your team tracks work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.